So we finish with this of number 9. The Torah writes regarding tzitzis, and you shall see it. Right? It says Bamidbar 15:39. It is learned from here that there is no obligation to tie tzitzis upon the night garment, since one cannot see tzitzis in darkness. Right? So that's okay. That's thing. Rambam in Hilchas Tzitzis 3:7 understand that this to mean that no garment requires tzitzis when worn at night. So if you have some specific garment that you sleep at night, it does not require tzitzis.
Rabbi,
Yeah.
What is a garment? Like, is a garment like, tefillin or?
No, garment in this case that requires tzitzis, they 4-corner garment.
Ah,
4 distinct corners. So it's not like your t-shirt is not garment in the sense because it's like there is no corners. You understand? And
Okay.
corners means like on the sides, you have most of it open.
Mm-hmm.
Most of it open. They sell the t-shirts like that also. Okay. I'm not sure why. To tell the truth, I'm not sure why would they sell such a t-shirt. It's beyond me. Because like this undershirt, you have to wash like every day. Like you change, like so you're not going to wash your tzitzis every day. So this regular tallis, so you put your undershirt, and on that you put the tallis, and that's it. So you don't have to wash it every day, right? So
Maybe
maybe
like once a week, right?
Say it again.
Maybe you would wash it like once a week or once.
Whatever you need to. Like when I feel you need to wash, you can wash. That's it. Once a week, 2 weeks, whatever. You just change the t-shirts and keep it clean. That's it.
Oh, okay.
And plus it's between t-shirt and between like outer short, so it's like does not get dirty as much as other things. Okay, so we said that no need for to put tzitzis on a night garment. Okay, Rosh and Hilchas Tzitzis, paragraph 1, however, holds that the verse excludes only garments that are designated to worn at night, like, for example, pajamas, right? Such garments do not need tzitzis, even if they're worn by day, right? So that's clear. So they designated for night, but he's still in his pajamas in, I don't know, in noon. So that's the problem, but he does not need tzitzis. However, daytime garments do require tzitzis, even they are worn at night. So that's why. So if you want to sleep in the tallis, so you just sleep in a regular tallis. So I have my tallis with a thin tzitzis, so it would not bother me, right? Only for night. All cases in which one is obligated only, according to one of these opinions, are treated in cases of the doubt. Thus, in such cases, one may not wear the garment without tzitzis, but his blessing is not recited. Okay, so let's read it again and try to explain. All cases in which one is obligated only according to one of these opinions, okay, we're going to see which opinions, are treated in cases of the doubt. So in general, in cases of the doubt, we don't say blessing. Like we said, what are the cases of that? Yesterday, where we learned yesterday about, for example, mitzvah of Havdalah and women. So they say it's case of the doubt, because some poskim say women are not obligated to Havdalah, and others say they obligated to Havdalah. So that's one of the cases of the doubt. Thus, in such a cases, one may not wear the garment without tzitzis, but the blessing is not recited. Okay, we're going to see what. Okay, this sif discusses application of the above halachas. Okay, a blessing is recited on the tzitzis only when they are part of the. They are put on during the day. So if you put this garment during the day, so they require tzitzis and they require blessing, and not when I put on at night, as explained above. Ideally, one should take the precaution not to recite blessing on tzitzis until it is so far into the day that one can discern by the light of the day by the light of the day, the difference between Tallis and white. Okay, so let's explain. What does it mean? So we're only allowed to say blessing on the tzitzis when and tefillin also. Tzitzis and tefillin, you're allowed to put on a specific time. You're allowed to say blessing in specific time. To put on, there is a leniency, so you can put it after the dawn. But there is a specific time. I don't remember how many minutes, like after the dawn, that you can put this. If you wanna put us on mute.
Yes. Oh, sorry. Of course.
Yeah.
I was about to ask you a question. That's why.
Okay, let me finish and then you ask. Okay, so there's specific time when you put your tefillin and tallis, right? Specific time, and they say, what is this time when you can see? What does it mean to see? When you can see the difference. So basically, when we had the tallis, being this blue string in our tzitzis, so you can see the difference between blue and white. So basically, like if it's not light enough, if you can, and you look at the tzitzis, I mean, in any garment or whatever, so you would not be easily to distinguish like which color is it, because it's so dark. So that's what they say. So let me finish the sentence, then you ask. Don't forget your questions.
It's okay. I forgot it already.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. So can discern the light and that. The difference between Tallis and white. Okay, as you say, there is, if one would have Tallis string in his tzitzis, he would be able to see which string of Tallis and white are white, which is Tallis, which are white. So commentaries say the verse "and you shall see it" indicates that the requirement of tzitzis applies when you can properly see the tzitzis. So meaning that when you see the difference between white and blue. Okay, so that's what considered to be tzitzis. Okay, I mean, that would be considered the definition of see. Okay, so you remember your question or no?
No, it's okay.
Okay, no problem. So continue. One who don his tallis katan while he's still night. Okay, so you get up a little early, right? And you want to don your small tallis. For example, you don't wear it at night, also possible. And consequently did not yet recite the blessing over it, as above, or donned it while his hands were not clean, also possible, and therefore he did not recite the blessing over it. So meaning, okay, with unclean hands, right? Then later, when he recited the blessing over the Tallis Gadol, he should have in mind to recite the blessing to include the Tallis Katan as well. So we're going to read the commentaries. I explain, then read the comments. So basically, for example, if we're talking about Ashkenazi people wear tallis only when they get married. There are specific explanations. I think the explanation is it is a verse from the Torah. If I don't remember exactly what verse was it and how it exactly sounds, but I remember the rationale. So the law of the tzitzis is the law of the marriage. There, like two verses were together. I don't remember the context, but the verses were together. And from this, our sages learned that this mitzvah should be like bind together. So when you get married, so that's why when you put on Tallis Gadol. But Sephardim say that no. I mean, I think even after bar mitzvah they can put Tallis. But in others, I think Yemenite they put it like even before bar mitzvah they put like small Tallis. Looks very cute, but I'm not sure if children understand what's going on with this Tallis. Okay. So okay, so let's see the commentary. Then later, so basically for adult men, so we don't say, let's say he did not sleep in tzitzis in small towels, right? So he put in the morning and he does not say the blessing because, as we said, his mouth is dirty, like he didn't brush his teeth yet. he didn't wash his face yet, but he does not want, as we say, do not walk 4 steps without Tallis. Okay. So he put on Tallis, he went to the bathroom, that did his thing. So he did not say blessing. So he can say blessing afterward when he's ready to, when he's clean and ready. Okay, there is no problem. Or so if he's adult, so when he puts on this big Tallis, he keeps in mind that this blessing should cover also the small Tallis, which is no problem.
Rabbi.
But, one second, I'm almost done. And for not married men, so we just say a blessing on the small Tallis. That's it. Okay.